name is Reflection. My topic is symmetry. My question is explain about reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry, known as an image, can said to have reflection symmetry. One half is a mirror image of the other half respect to a light. Now, these all are examples of reflection symmetries. This pink line is known as line of symmetry. Line of symmetry divides the shape into overlapping parts. These all pink lines are line of symmetry. A figure can have one or more lines of reflection symmetry. This figure can have one or more lines than this figure. This figure can have one or more lines than this figure. Now, this figure is having two lines. This figure is having 4 lines. This figure is called 2 lines of symmetry. This figure is called 4 lines of symmetry. But these all are examples of reflection symmetry. The line of symmetry can be in any direction. Now, this line of symmetry can be in any direction. This line can be in any direction. This line can be in this direction. This line can be in this direction. Now, I am giving examples of reflection symmetry. Now, this is the half of the reflection symmetry. Other half will reflect in the mirror. Like this, other half also will reflect in the mirror. Now, another example I am giving of reflection symmetry is triangle. Triangle will also reflect in the mirror. Same. Like this. I am giving reflection symmetry examples with line of symmetry. This is full of reflection symmetry. This is full of reflection symmetry. I will draw a line in the middle of the reflection symmetry because it gives meaning of reflection symmetry. I already explained about this line of symmetry. Another example of reflection symmetry. This is also called full of reflection symmetry. I will draw in this also one line. I will draw one line in this middle of this symmetry. Now, this is also called reflection symmetry. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Shradikshita from 5th grade. My group name is Reflection and my question is explain about rotational symmetry. My topic is rotational symmetry. The rotational symmetry of a shape explains that when an object is rotated, the shape of the object looks the same. What is rotational symmetry? If a figure is rotated around the center point and it still appears exactly as it did before the rotation, is said to have rotational symmetry. There are many geometrical shapes which are symmetrical rotationally, such as square, rectangle, and circle. There are many capital letters of English alphabets which have rotational symmetry when they rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise about an axis. Some of them are H, N, and Z. When we rotate these letters clockwise or anti-clockwise, these letters look to be same. The number of positions in which a figure can be rotated and it still appear exactly as it did before the rotation is known as order of symmetry. For example, here is a windmill. It looks same every time the blades rotate through 1/4 turn. Similarly, the star also can be rotated 6 times along its shapes and look to be same every time. This is also an example of rotational symmetry. It is 1/3 turn. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Raghavendra. I am 5th standard. I would like to show one practical about acute angle. When one ray rotates away from the another ray through a common point, geometric elements called angles connect to matchsticks. Connect to matchsticks using gum as shown. Rotate one star away from the other. Draw the angle formed in your notebook and table the rays. Color the space between two rays. This given the amount of rotation. Repeat the steps to form three different angles. Draw and label them in the space provided.
Thank you.
Good evening, madam. My name is Diksha from 5th class. Today I am telling about angles. First I am telling about straight angle. Look at these two lines. It's exactly 180 degrees greater than 90 degrees. So it's a straight angle. Look at my hand. It's a straight. It's exactly 180 degrees greater than 90 degrees. So it's a straight angle. Now I am telling about obtuse angle. Look at these two lines. I am measuring with protractor. It's 120 degrees. So it's obtuse angle. Look at my hand. It's greater than 90 degrees. So it's obtuse angle. Now I am telling about acute angle. Look at these two lines. It's lesser than 90 degrees. Now I am measuring with protractor. It's 50 degrees. So it's acute angle. Look at my hand. It's lesser than 90 degrees. So it's acute angle. Now I am telling about right angle. An angle is exactly 90 degrees, so it is a right angle. Look at my hand, it's exactly 90 degrees, so it's a right angle. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Think Room Day. My name is Lasya Priya. I am from 5th Shakespeare. My team name is Acute Angle. My topic is different types of angle. First of all, I want to explain about definition of angle. When one ray rotates away from another ray through a common point, angle are formed. Next, types of angle. Right angle, acute angle and straight angle. Next, parts of an angle. Angle ABC, vertex B, BA and BC, arms of the angle. Definition of vertex. The common point B of the two rays is known as vertex. Definition of arms of the angle. The two rays BA and BC which make up the angle is known as arms of the angle. Next, right angle definition. An angle that measures 90 degrees is called a right angle. Examples of right angle. Angle ABC 90 degrees. Vertex B, arms of the angle BA and BC. Second example of right angle. Angle PQR 90 degrees. Vertex Q, arms of the angle QP and QR. Obtuse angle definition. An angle that measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle examples: X, Y, Z 120 degrees, vertex Y, arms of the angle, YX and YZ. Acute angle definition. An angle that measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Acute angle examples: angle MNO 50 degrees, vertex and arms of the angle, NO and NM. Second example of acute angle: angle DEF, vertex E, arms of the angle, ED and EF. Straight angle definition. An angle that measures exactly 180 degrees is called a straight angle. Straight angle examples: angle EFG 180 degrees, vertex F, arms of angle FEFG. Second example of straight angle: PQR, vertex Q, arms of the angle QP and QR. Thank you. I think you understand different types of angles. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Vishesh from 5th Abdul Kalam. My team is reflectional. My topic is line of symmetry. What is line of symmetry? The line which divides a shape into overlapping parts is called line of symmetry. A shape can have more than one line. Here are the examples. You see flower, it has more symmetrical lines more than one. It means a shape can have more than one symmetrical line. Thank you.